Hey guys, Kings Island fanboy here. Welcome back to another Kings Island Giga construction update. They're actually pouring footers as we speak. That's what I'm pretty sure they're doing right there. Right there. I think they're pouring footers. Over there. There are more spots for footers to go. If you're at the Beast on the mid-course, you can't see them. So out there are more spots for footers. And yes, there are teasers. So that's finally, we got some teasers and stuff. But it doesn't really look like much hasn't happened. Looks like some more footers for the brake run to go in right there. And so if you look, I think it's out there, right there. See some giant spots for footers to go. That's probably where the helix footer and supports are gonna go. So right out there. So there's more out there. There's a marker right there. So there are a few trucks out there doing stuff. So the Firehawk trains are still there. So yeah, looks like the construction's going along pretty well. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.